You're right, YouTube. This is the Legends 445 on how to build a PC. Okay, so I've got my case. Everything's taken off it. The top bit's taken off it. The front case and front everything. So it's just a bare case, very light. Might see me struggling there. I've popped out all of these just in case I want to add anything else later extra on. I don't have to take off the front bit. I've already installed this, but I have to move it back because each time the door shuts it opens it. Quite funny actually. So yeah, this is how to install your hardware for this PC. Okay, my motherboard was sitting out, so I had to take that off to put in all the DVD drives, everything like that. So what I would suggest is put all your anything like DVD drives, any other things. It's mainly just your DVD drive. Your hard drives you don't have to worry about because they're smaller and they go lower down. But if you want them higher up, put them in right at the beginning because they're not going to. And make sure if you do have a case with a shutting door, don't let it. Make sure you've got enough clearance.